Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to be making a bowling alley for my dolls. So to do this bowling alley, I'm using cardboard. This is a box that I had from some packaging and I just opened it up. This is the actual box, like the small box from the post office. This is the dimensions right here of this box. So I just cut it down the middle and I opened it. And when I open it, it has 4 folds. And then I took another one of those boxes right here that I just used one side of the packaging, just one side, and I cut it for the floor. So pretty much I'm gluing it kind of at a bend in the middle so it could give it kind of like a triangular shape in the middle. And then I'm gonna have the side tabs going out to the side of the box, and I'll show you guys how the back of the box is looking so you can know what I'm talking about. So before I glue down the walls, I'm gonna go ahead and glue down this marble scrapbook paper as our floor. I cut it at a diagonal because we're not gonna need the whole foam board, we're just gonna need the pieces for the floor. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue that onto the floor. Alright guys, so I went ahead and covered the floor that I need. So now I'm going to go ahead and cover the walls. And for the walls, guys, so for the back part, which is going to be the walls, I'm going to do it this pink color, and the bottom part this brown color. Actually guys, I think I changed my mind. I'm going to go ahead and do this stripe color across this part and take the brown off because I think that will look better, and I need the brown paper for something else in this craft, so I'm going to change it to the blue stripe contact paper. Now that we have our room built, now it's time to actually build the bowling station where you're going to bowl. So I'm thinking it would be better if I do it going straight down the middle of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this brown paper and make it into a strip to make it into a bowling lane. We have the brown strip for our lane. Now it's time to make the actual section where the bowling pins are gonna go. So I'm gonna glue this piece of black spur to the back of the wall just so I can make it dark, and then I'm gonna add some black paper to this corner right here. So once I built the back piece for the bowling lane, I went ahead and cut a strip of foam board and covered it in wood contact paper, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue it on one side and do the same on the opposite side. I'm gonna make the triangles that go as arrows towards the middle of the bowling alley so you can bowl straight into where the pins are going to be. So to use that, I'm going to be using black scrapbook paper that I cut into triangles right here, and I'm going to do 7 of them going straight towards the middle. Then I'm just going to glue some white baseboards to the corners of the room. Now we're going to build a table. So I have this toilet paper roll that I have, actually this is a paper towel roll that I have here that I save because I save all my toilet paper rolls and my paper towel rolls. So I'm gonna cover it in white contact paper and make the base for our table. So I covered my paper towel roll to the length for the table, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue it in place right here. I'm going to take a plastic bag and stuff the paper towel roll with the plastic bag to give the table weight so it won't be coming apart. Alright, so now we're gonna add the top of the table, and for the top of the table I took the same cardboard piece of it and I cut it into this shape to make a table right here in the corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue that in place. 6 stools, I just cut 2 more pieces of toilet paper roll. No, this is made out of toilet paper roll, and I cut it to the size where it'll be a good size for a stool for my bowling alley. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these under the table. So I did make the stools, so I did the same thing at the top, except I made them square. So now I'm just going to glue them in place with the good side to the front, and I'm gonna do that on both sides so the dolls have a seating area so they can eat food while they bowl. And then I'm gonna do a little like lounge sofa type of situation here, and then we're gonna go ahead and decorate the top. So I officially made the seating area for the bowling alley. So now, oh, I made this bench. It's about 4 inches tall and about 2 inches going back. And then I made this little side table with some wooden dowels and a little piece of cardboard with wrap paper on top. And now I'm just gonna make some decorations to go on the wall, and then I'm gonna put some pillows on the back of this bench right here so the dolls can be comfortable while they're bowling. I'm just taking a Mr. Clean foam that I shaped into the shape that will fit in the back of the bench right here. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and glue on this fabric to the Amazon foam. I got this Finger Bowling Sports, which is pretty much a bowling setup. I'm gonna go ahead and set that up there. And then I did, instead of printing out some printables, I wanted to go ahead and draw something, so I drew my own scoreboard. And then I have this scrapbook paper to go around my drawings, and then I have these drawings I want to put on the wall as well that I did as well. So this is another option, just in case you guys don't have a printer, that you guys can try to draw it yourself. So let's go ahead and decorate. Alright, so from packaging, I got this bowling sign right here. And we're going to go ahead and put the scoreboard over here. And now our bowling alley is complete. I'm completely happy of how it came out. I love how my pictures and my benches came out so cute. So now my dolls have a place to play bowling. I wrote some of their names on the scoreboard. I love how it all came out. And the bowling set that I got from Amazon, I will link it in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this from me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.